Hello, team kaibigang Oso. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mang Inasal. And yes, naka-ano lang tayo. Nakadalawang cups of rice. Proud na rin tayo no? And nahirapan tayong mag-video. Kasi hindi po tayo sanay mag-video sa public places. At sana nga marinig tong chika natin. Anyway, the concept of unlimited has been there for quite some time now, diba? And sa ating mga Pilipino, talagang patok na patok yung unlimited, diba? Unlimited food, even yung unlimited gravy. Natanda ko nung college ako, isa yun sa mga talagang nag-survive sa atin, diba? Unlimited gravy. And then, syempre may unlimited calls, unlimited internet, and so forth. But not all the time na, you know, we stand by unlimited. Like, let's say, kung halimbawa, paulit-ulit kang sinasaktan ng isang tao, diba? Or nasasaktan, pwede kang magpatawad, pero huwag mong tanggalin sa sarili mo. You'll also get to love yourself and set boundaries. Or, let's say, yung iba naman, unlimited oo, unlimited yes, because we want to help people out, and sometimes I'm also guilty about that, pero dapat matuto tayo maging balance, hindi maging unlimited for that extent. But what's good naman is we have the love of the Lord, the grace of the Lord. It's also unlimited. So, yun lang naman. Konting kwentuhan lang habang hinihintay natin ang ating kapamilya sa puso. And naubos ko na yung chicken and nakadalawang cups of rice lang ako. What about you guys? Ilang cups of rice kayo dito sa Mang Inasal? Comment down below.